So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, as we speak, all of a sudden has started pumping. This is the past 15 minutes case scenario. I just started making video. This is a 15 minutes candle and it is above 105,700. It went and it is making an attempt, and now it is going towards $106,000. As you can see, this is a live action that you are seeing right now. It is making attempts. Anyway, we are not here to watch the live action show of Bitcoin going towards 106. We are here to talk about Bitcoin's journey. So we had targets till 102,500. That was my target for Bitcoin. We had a cup and handle, and we have seen the deliverance on it, and I've told you that this is the minimum deliverance on this cup and handle structure that you are seeing in action. Full deliverance can of course push it towards the all-time high, but all that stuff, it's something we have discussed over and over again. Now let's talk about the levels. While we were below the area of 100k, and it was a painful journey, I'll give you a bit of a revisit. So this was the area, just a second. 97,300 was the area where we wanted closing, and it gave us a big ass closing above it, pretty much confirming this area is done. After that, we had a psychological target of $100,000, then 102,500, and of course after that you can only aim for the all-time high. Yes, you can introduce other levels of targets of 107, 108, but I think that as long as Bitcoin holds 102,500, the only thing that you can expect from Bitcoin is to go and hit that new all-time high, or the previous all-time high, which is 109,588. So 110 it is, and it doesn't mean that that is where it is ending. If you remember, when we were at 97,300, I told you that capturing this means a journey towards $120,000. So we are talking about an overall very stretched journey just because of capturing this area, and like losing $90,000, I told you, is a journey towards $70,000. Similarly, that's how 97,300 was important, and it was struggling for quite a while. I will take you back with a bit of a recap so you could freshen your memory. So the 97,300, each candle is 1 day, and you can see we didn't have a single candle with the body except for this one when it started, staying above it. And once we captured this area of 97,300, since then Bitcoin has gone up and is trying its best to stay up. Now your question should be that what is next? Well, it's really simple. As long as it continues to hold 102,500, first the all-time high of 110, and then we can start talking about 120. But if it is not able to stay above 102,500 for more than 2 days, it dips below it with the bodies of the candle. They both close below 102,500. Then I wouldn't care about the $100,000 area. Then I would just care about 97,300 to see what the hell happens to it. And then after that, we can start talking about other targets and other journey. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.